All right, it has been a half an hour since we did our first corner stretch, and now we need to do another one. Dough's still looking wet. That's fine. Focaccia is supposed to be a little wet. Still need to get my hands wet for this though. So, wet hands, and we're still doing the same corner stretch. So you grab, I don't know, a corner of it, I guess. Fold it onto itself. Rotate it 90 degrees and repeat. It's definitely softer and floppier than just a regular sourdough, but kind of feels nice actually. I'm using gravity to stretch it, not really kneading in the traditional sense. Hands are getting sticky. Give me a second. All right. It's definitely coming together very nicely. One more stretch. All right. So, looking okay. It's starting to look more like dough as opposed to just some wet flour. And basically I'm going to put the cover back on this, put it back in the oven for another half an hour, and then we'll do the other type of stretch next time. All right, good luck.